Hi, how are you doing? All there who love the super healthy food. And again, healthy sweets, one of my really favorite. We'll do super healthy and tasty homemade strawberry yogurt. So if you're that like, you can find some organic strawberry from the some locals in the countryside or whatever. You're super lucky. And we will mix it with a sour cream or double cream, depend from your preferences. We mix it up like 100% of strawberry to 30% of double cream or sour cream. It depends what you like. Actually, I like the sour cream, so it's make really nice, sweet and sour taste. And yeah, if it's ready strawberry, it's like it smells so good and it's really sweet. So you don't need to add anything. Otherwise, you can add some honey if it's not ready yet. Or my mate, he like to add some bananas to it, but we make it super simple. So, for example, if it's 1,000 gram of strawberry, we add 300 gram of the sour cream or double cream. You can try yogurt, but tastes not the same. So you can smash it manually. It's really easy. It's really soft, so even kids can make it in 1 minute. Yeah, only thing go to the field and pick it up. Or you can save the time and use a blender if you have a lot of gas and you need to make a shake like with a bucket of strawberry or so on. Well, we can do it. So we try to save the time. And yeah, if you're on a keto diet or you need more calories, basically you can mix it like 50-50. And for some bodybuilder freaks, you can add protein powder or seeds or any other things. So if you eat it every day and you will get tired from such delicious things, so you can mix it with other berries like blueberry or maybe raspberry or anything else. It's really up to your preferences. You can try everything. Okay. That's it. Super quick. And it's ready. And it's really healthy, really delicious. Oh my god, it smells so good. And it's natural. If you, of course, if you can find some natural ingredients. So let's try it. Oh my god, it's so good. Really sweet. So, if you like it, more recipes will come soon. Stay healthy, stay tuned.